OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Is a reference model that describes how information from a software application is in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. OSI consists of 7 layers and each layer performs a particular network function. OSI was developed by the International Organization of Standardization ISO in 1984, and it is now considered as an architectural model for the intercomputer communication. OSI model divides the whole task into 7 smaller and manageable tasks. Each layer is assigned a particular task. Each layer is self-contained so that tasks assigned to each layer perform independently. Characteristics of OSI model. The OSI model is divided into 2 layers, upper layer and lower layer. The upper layer of OSI model mainly deals with the application related issue and they are implemented only in the software. The application layer is closest to the end user. Both the end user and the application layer interact with the software application, and upper layer refers to the layer just above another layer. The lower layer of the OSI model deals with the transport issues. The data link layer and the physical layer are implemented in hardware and software. The physical layer is the lowest layer of the OSI model and is closest to the physical medium. The physical layer is mainly responsible for placing the information on the physical medium. Function of OSI layer. There are 7 OSI layers. Each layer has different function. A list of 7 layers are given below. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Number first, physical layer. The main functionality of the physical layer is to transfer the individual bits from one node to another node. It is the lowest layer of OSI model. It establishes, maintains, and deactivates the physical connection. It specifies the mechanical, electrical, and procedural network interface specification. Functions of physical layer. Line configuration. It defines the way how two or more devices can be connected physically. Data transmission. It defines the transmission mode, whether it is simple half duplex or full duplex mode between the two devices on the network. Topology. It defines way how network devices are arranged. Signals. It determines the type of signal used by in transmitting the information. Data layer. This layer is responsible to the error-free transfer of data frames. It defines the format of data on the network. It provides a reliable and efficient communication between two or more devices. It is mainly responsible for unique identification of each device that resides on a local network. It contains two sublayers. Logical link control layer. It is responsible for transferring the packets or to the network layer of the receiver that is receiving it. Identifies the address of network layer protocol from the header. It also provides flow control. Media access control layer. A media access control layer is a link between logical link and control layer and the network's physical layer. It is used for transferring the packets over the network. Function of data link layer. Framing. The data link layer translates the physical raw bit stream into packets known as frames. The data link layer adds the header and trailers to the frame. The header which is added to the frame contains the hardware destination and source address. Physical addressing the data link layer adds a header to the frame that contains a destination address. The frame is transmitted to the destination address mentioned in the header. Flow control is the main functionality of data link layer. It is the technique through which the constant data is maintained on both sides and so that no data gets corrupted. It ensures the transmitting stations such as higher proceeding blah blah. Error control and access control. In error control is achieved by adding a calculated value CRC that is placed data link trailer which is added to the message frame before it's sent to the physical layer. Access control. When two or more devices are connected in the same communication, then the data link layer protocols used. A device has control at a given layer. Network layer. It is a layer 3 that manages device addressing. It tracks the location devices on the net. It determines the best path to move to data from one source destination based on network condition, the priority of the services and other factor. The data layer is responsible for routing and forwarding the packets. Routers are the layer 3 devices. They are specified in this layer and used to provide the routing facilities with an internetwork. The protocol used to devise the network traffic are known as network layer. Example of protocols are IP and IPv6. Function of network layer. Networking, addressing, routing, packetizing. Transport layer. The transport layer is layer 4 ensures